Why do 70% of college students overspend on back-to-campus prep? Let's flip that statistic with these savvy tips. First up, create a budget and a list. Know what you need and avoid unnecessary splurges. Next, hunt for sales and discounts. Think back-to-school sales, student discounts, and tax-free weekends. Buy used textbooks and electronics on eBay or your campus bulletin board. And don't forget to buy non-perishable items in bulk. Check for what you already have at home and swap with friends to save even more. Use digital coupons and cashback apps like Honey and Rakuten. Shop smart with e-textbooks and rentals. Invest in quality items that last and shop off-season for big discounts. Choose generic brands, meal prep, and use public transport to save on daily expenses. Utilize campus resources like the library and gym, and join student orgs for free or discounted perks. Apply for scholarships and consider a part-time job for extra cash. Finally, use budgeting apps to keep track of your spending. Combine these strategies and watch your savings grow. Like and subscribe for more tips. Attend financial literacy workshops offered by your college. Make the most of your meal plan to avoid eating out. Use a reusable water bottle to save money and the environment. Share rides with friends to cut down on transportation costs. Always carry your student ID for discounts at local businesses. Take advantage of free campus events for entertainment. Shop at thrift stores for affordable clothing and dorm essentials. Consider biking to class to save on gas and parking fees. Use campus computer labs and printers to save on tech costs. Take advantage of free trials for software and services. Keep a detailed budget spreadsheet to track all your expenses. Use campus shuttles for free transportation around campus. Open a student bank account with no fees and perks. Share textbooks with classmates to cut down on costs. Utilize free online courses to supplement your learning. Look for on-campus jobs that offer flexible hours. Use student discounts for streaming services to save on entertainment. Download free fitness apps to stay active without a gym membership. Try free trials for subscription boxes to get goodies without the cost. Cook in shared kitchens to save on dining out. Use student travel discounts for affordable trips. Get free supplies from campus resource centres. Visit museums and cultural sites with student discounts. Enjoy free trials for music services to save on subscriptions. Get student discounts on phone plans to reduce your monthly bill. Like and subscribe for more tips.